So it's breakfast. It's just toasted bread with ham, cheese, and egg. So just melt the butter. Some pieces of ham, like 4 pieces of ham. Since I'm hungry, I'm gonna toast it with 3 pieces of bread. Ano magkasya. Wash your hand. Soft egg. It's too hot. Looks like it's burning. It's pepper and garlic powder. Sometimes people want the egg runny. I want it cooked, so I'll just kinda turn it. There you go. Maybe it needs more butter. Since the ham is already cooked. So this is a camp meal that you can cook at home. Like, this is like toasted cheese, ham, and egg sandwich. But in Tagalog, it's probably called, in Filipino, instead of ham silog, because I don't have rice, so it's ham tin cheese log, which is ham, tinapay, cheese, and egg. So it's Tagalog version. So while it's cooking nicely, this side is the hotter part. I'm gonna move it. So it's a club sandwich. I got the ham, then the egg, and then I got 3 layers of sandwiches. It's like a club sandwich. So there you go. And this one on top. It's hot. Let it warm up for a bit. So the egg is runny, so it's let the bread absorb the egg. So depending how you want it toasted, dark or light. I want it light, but it turned out dark. So let's switch off the fire now. And let it warm for a bit or cool down. So again, nice breakfast, and shout out to my friends at at my guild. Oh, it took us only 9 minutes and 30 seconds to cook this, so it's really fast. You can cook this at home or at the camp. Okay, it's time to eat. See, cheese is melted. Let me slice it. So it looks like cheese is melty inside. The eggs perfect. So we'll taste. Mmm, crunchy and delicious. Again, I want to take this opportunity to thank my friends from Doors Mobile. Anyway, I'll see you on the game. Okay, bye for now. I'm gonna finish my food because I'm so hungry.